You are not broke because you don't make enough money. You are broke because of 3 silent habits draining your bank account every single day. And I guarantee you did at least one of them this morning. Most people think getting rich requires a massive salary, a tech startup, or winning the lottery. It doesn't. Wealth is not about what you make, it is entirely about what you keep and how you multiply it. Habit number 1, lifestyle creep. The second you get a raise, you upgrade your car, your apartment, and your clothes. You are literally financing your own poverty to look rich to people you don't even like. Stop buying liabilities. Habit number 2, saving just to save. If your money is sitting in a traditional bank account, inflation is eating it alive. You are losing purchasing power every single day. You cannot save your way to wealth. You have to invest. Habit number 3, trading all your time for money. If you only get paid when you are physically working, your income has a hard ceiling. You only have 24 hours in a day. The wealthy build systems that make money while they sleep. So how do you fix it? Rule 1, pay yourself first. Before rent, before groceries, before Netflix. Set up an automatic transfer that takes 10 to 20% of your income and puts it directly into an index fund. Make it invisible. Rule 2, buy assets, not status. Stop caring about looking rich. Drive the reliable used car. Live below your means. Take the difference and buy things that pay you back. Stocks, real estate, or your own business. Rule 3, learn a high-income skill. The market pays for value, not time. Learn sales, copywriting, coding, or AI automation. These skills allow you to decouple your income from your hours. Wealth is boring. It is the result of doing the right things consistently over a long period of time. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Stop letting these 3 habits keep you broke. Take control of your money today. If this video changed your perspective, hit that subscribe button right now for more strategies to build real wealth. Stay curious.